Welcome to Investor Expert, your trusted space for smart money moves and future-proof financial guidance. In today's video, we're breaking down something many dream about but few actually achieve: how to turn your side hustle into your full-time income. Whether you're freelancing, running a small online business, or trying out a digital hustle on the weekends, this roadmap will help you turn that passion into a reliable paycheck. So, where do you start? First, get clear on your numbers. You need to know exactly how much you spend monthly on essentials like rent, food, transport, insurance, and savings. That number becomes your income target. Your side hustle isn't just extra cash anymore, it's your future salary. Once you know your number, you can start reverse engineering your business to meet it. Next, take your hustle seriously. Treat it like a business from day one. That means setting a schedule, tracking income and expenses, investing in tools or skills, and delivering value consistently. Your nights and weekends are now your building blocks. Every hour should move you closer to sustainability. The third step is to reinvest your profits. In the early phase, avoid spending that side income on luxuries. Instead, buy better software, improve your marketing, or take a course that sharpens your skill. The more efficient and valuable you become, the faster your hustle grows. Now here's a game changer. Start stacking clients, orders, or revenue before you quit your 9-to-5. The goal is to prove that your side hustle can cover at least 80 to 100% of your living expenses consistently for a few months. That stability is your green light. If you jump too early, you risk burnout and financial stress. But if you build patiently and strategically, you gain freedom with a safety net. Lastly, build systems that allow you to scale. Whether that's automating part of your work, outsourcing repetitive tasks, or diversifying your income streams, think like a CEO. Side hustles grow into full-time income when they stop being 100% dependent on your time. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 and create a life on your own terms, start laying the bricks today. It won't be easy, but it's absolutely possible. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Investor Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step in your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.